Welcome back to Mystery Curtain, the channel where we dissect tech so you don't have to. In a moment, we'll take a hands-on look at the newest, evaluate it. MSI Stealth 18HX AI Review Ultra Slim Powerhouse with Core Ultra 9, 275HX and RTX 5080. MSI is making a bold statement in the flagship gaming laptop segment. With the launch of the Stealth 18HX AI, this 18-inch machine attempts to strike the perfect balance between premium design, raw power, and next-general AI features. While most 18-inch gaming laptops resemble bulky desktop replacements, MSI takes a different approach by delivering a slimmer, more refined design without sacrificing cutting-edge performance. The result is a laptop that not only looks sharp, but also performs impressively in demanding scenarios. Minimalist design meets flagship hardware. The Stealth 18HX AI embodies MSI's slim, sharp, stylish philosophy. Its matte black chassis is understated yet premium, avoiding the flashy RGB-heavy aesthetic common among gaming laptops. The illuminated MSI Dragon logo on the lid adds a subtle touch of personality without going overboard. Despite its large display, the laptop feels surprisingly compact for its class, making it suitable for professionals and gamers who prefer performance without excessive bulk. A slightly elevated bottom edge helps with airflow, while the full suite of ports ensures versatility. Users get dual Thunderbolt 4, dual USB 3.2 Type-A, HDMI 2.1, and an SD Express slot, alongside Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 for modern wireless connectivity. This combination means the Stealth 18HX AI is just as comfortable driving high-end peripherals or external displays as it is handling day-to-day tasks, keyboard, touchpad, and everyday usability. The keyboard is a full-size unit with per-key RGB lighting, offering solid key travel and tactile feedback. Typing feels satisfying, while the RGB lighting can be customized to fit personal preferences or synced with other peripherals. The touchpad is also generously sized, responsive, and smooth, supporting multi-touch gestures with ease. Both input methods strike a balance between gaming flair and professional practicality. Mini LED display with 120 Hz refresh rate. The Stealth 18HX AI is equipped with an 18-inch mini LED display that boasts 3840 by 2400 resolution, a 16:10 aspect ratio, and a 120 Hz refresh rate, with peak brightness reaching 715 nits and 97% DCI-P3 color coverage. The panel delivers vivid colors and razor-sharp clarity. Unlike OLED, Mini LED offers less reflectivity and more consistent brightness, making it practical for long sessions of gaming or creative work. The 120 Hz refresh rate ensures fluid gameplay, particularly in fast-paced shooters or competitive titles. Meanwhile, creators benefit from wide color accuracy and near 4K resolution, making this panel suitable for photo editing, video production, and design work. Powerhouse specs: Core Ultra 9 and RTX 5080. At the heart of the Stealth 18HX AI is Intel's Core Ultra 9, 275HX processor paired with NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 5080 GPU. Together with 64 GB of DDR5 6400 RAM and a 2 TB SSD, the laptop is built for heavy multitasking, AAA gaming, and professional workloads such as rendering or AI-driven content creation. Benchmark results highlight its strengths and trade-offs. In Cinebench 2024, the Core Ultra 9 scores 1,528 in single-core and 131 in multi-core performance, proving capable for complex tasks. Blender testing shows 119.1 samples per minute on CPU rendering and an impressive 1,599.47 on GPU rendering thanks to the RTX 5080. On 3DMark Time Spy Extreme, The laptop scored 8,537 overall, lower than bulkier 175W RTX 5080 machines like the MSI Raider 18HXAI or Alienware Area 51, but higher than slimmer competitors like the Asus ROG Zephyrus G16. This confirms MSI's design trade-off: slightly throttled GPU wattage 150W to maintain a thinner chassis while still outperforming lighter rivals. Real-world gaming performance. In Cyberpunk 2077 at 1080p with Ray Tracing Ultra, the Stealth 18HXAI averaged 57 FPS, compared to 66 on the Raider 18HXAI and 77 on the Alienware Area 51. Meanwhile, Baldur's Gate 3 averaged 78 FPS and Black Myth Wukong reached 81 FPS. While these numbers fall short of thicker 175W laptops, the results are still smooth, stable, and competitive for a slim 18-inch gaming laptop. Battery, thermals, and everyday use. Battery life is predictably short due to the powerful hardware, averaging just 82 minutes of continuous gaming, comparable to Alienware, but weaker than Asus' more efficient G16. Like most gaming laptops, the Stealth 18HXAI is best used plugged in. Thermals reveal MSI's priorities: GPU temperatures stay relatively cool at 72°C max, while the CPU hits up to 100°C under heavy load. This ensures consistent gaming performance, though the CPU runs hotter than some rivals. Verdict: slim yet strong. The MSI Stealth 18HXAI is a compelling choice for gamers and creators who want a balance of premium design, strong performance, and portability. While it sacrifices some raw power compared to thicker desktop replacement laptops, it outshines slimmer rivals and proves that an 18-inch laptop doesn't need to be massive to deliver flagship-level performance. For users who value a refined chassis, high quality, mini-LED display, and strong hardware capable of handling both AAA titles and demanding creative tasks, the Stealth 18HXI is one of the most well-rounded options in 2025.